Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix shake phone to report a problem on Instagram. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. You might have turned off this feature, so to fix this, open the Instagram app. Here, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, you have 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. So tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll all the way down to More Info and Support. Under this, you have the Help feature. Tap on it. Here you have several options. Just open Report a Problem. At the bottom, you should see the option to shake phone to report a problem, with a toggle switch next to it. Ensure the toggle switch is turned on, so green, if you want to use the shake function. If you can't see shake phone to report a problem, then the feature might not be available in your region. Currently, the shake to report a problem feature is only available in a limited number of regions. If you're located outside this region, the option might not be present in your app settings. That is how to fix shake phone to report a problem on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.